Hey, good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have taken the exercise C. Okay, so in the exercise C, we have to see the where we saw the sentences in a subject and predicate. In a subject, we have to underline the subject, and where we see the predicate, we have to underline in a predicate words. Okay, so today we will see the exercise D. Okay, see there are 6 pictures in your book, page number 6. Okay, so look at the picture and the subject or predicates to complete this sentence. See, we have to show the six picture, and there is only half sentences we have given. So we have to identify the subject or predicate and is the perfectly matched. You should put it there. Okay, so now let's we start. See, first one is Ravi and Shashi. There is only subjected has given, but we have to find it out the suitable predicate, means that is means an answer. So but हम किस प्रकार से उसको आइडेंटिफाई करके लिखते हैं? We have to see in this picture what the action is going on. Okay, see for example I am just giving you, what are you doing? I am standing and I am writing on a blackboard. Means what is my action? That ma'am is writing on a blackboard. Who is writing? Ma'am is writing. What she is doing? That I am writing in a action form. Okay, so what we have seen in picture कि there is a football and 2 are playing. Means वो क्या कर रहे हैं? फुटबॉल खेल रहे हैं. Obviously the answer is Ravi and Shashi. The 2 boys are here with the football. मतलब 2 boys किसके साथ है? एक फुटबॉल के साथ है. And one name is Ravi and second name is Shashi. So obviously Ravi and Shashi are playing a football. Why football? Because we have to see there is a football. It's not a simple ball, there is a football. That's why we know and we easily recognize in this picture they are playing in a football. So we should write it down the answer. The answer is are playing. Play means खेलना. Okay, playing a football. Okay. Understood? Got it? So in the second, the cat. What we have seen in this picture, cat क्या कर रही है? She is running. मतलब वो उसको पकड़ रही है. पकड़ना means catch कर रही है. See, we can see, है ना? We can see the one is mouse and one is cat. तो हमको दिख रहा है इस पिक्चर में कि एक बिल्ली है और एक चूहा है. So the cat. अब cat क्या कर रही है? किसके पीछे भाग रही है वो? चूहे के पीछे. तो obviously the answer is the cat is catching, because always the cat is catching in a mouse because for his what? क्योंकि वो क्या करती है? चूहे को खाती है ना? वो उसका फूड है, किसका? बिल्ली का. तो obviously the cat is catching. पकड़ना. The cat is catching mouse. आगे समझ में? It's a suitable one. Next one, the man. Okay. So what we have seen about the man? See, one is stable. He is sitting on a chair, and one is jar on the table. Even one a slice of bread on the table, and he is drinking. Means वो पी रहा है. Who? The man. The man is drinking a tree. Okay, so the man is drinking a tree. So what is the answer? The man already is given is drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking means पीना. Drinking a tea. P-E-A is a drinking a tea. It's a the answer. Okay, so now we can jump on the question number 4. What we have seen, see one tree in the corner in the space area. एक tree दिया है आपको, है ना, and what is the reflect? The leaves are falling down. Means the trees leaves are falling down, मतलब वहाँ पे what is this? The trees leaves are falling down, मतलब वो पत्तियां क्या हो रहे हैं, वो गिर रहे हैं. तो obviously what is the answer? See, the trees are shedding leaves, मतलब उनके जो पत्तियां वो क्या कर रहे हैं, वो it is falling down means वो गिर रहे हैं. तो and वो क्या दिखा रहा है, वो the tree. तो obviously the answer is the understood. Next one. What is the next one in this picture? See, we can see the small one tree and is the nest and one is birds. Everybody knows. So what is the build? Their nest in a tree. But who is the build nest in a tree? Who? The birds. Obviously, the answer is the birds. मतलब जो पक्षी है वो ही क्या करते हैं, ट्री के ऊपर अपना घर बांधते, मतलब घर की जो बोलते हैं. The birds okay, the tree are shedding leaves, then the birds builds their nest in the tree. Okay, the birds, THEBIRDS, the birds, मतलब पक्षी. Okay, next one. See, I think you know about this peon because our didis also, when you have to recess and when you have to go to home, the time is over, the didi is ringing a bell because then we know the lunch break is over. How will we know about the lunch break is over? Because of ringing a bell. Okay, दीदी इज रिमाइंड टू अस कि अभी हमारा क्या हो गया है, असेंबली शुरू होने वाली है, लंच ब्रेक है. ओके, इसी प्रकार से क्या रिंग के वजह से, रिंगिंग द बेल, हमें पता चल जाता है कि अभी हमारी रिसेस है, हमारा लंच है या हमारे असेंबली के हमको बुलाया गया है. तो ऑब्वियसली सी वी हैव टू सी इन दिस पिक्चर द मैन इज रिंगिंग, मतलब वो बेल बजा रहा है ना. तो हम क्या बोलेंगे, पियून. क्या बोलते हैं उसको, पियून, PEON. पियून मीन्स क्या करते हैं, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि चपरासी वगैरह, जैसे हम वी शुड कॉल इन दीदी, जो हमारे यहाँ पे स्कूल प्रीमाइसेस में कौन है, दीदी. वैसे तो पियून इज रिंगिंग अ बेल, है ना. व्हाट इज हिज हैंड, हिज हैंड वो बोलते हैं ना घंटी, बेल जो बजा रहा है वो. ओके, सो सी 1 2 3 4 5 6 we have to completed the 6. What we have completed, the subject and the predicate in this whole section. See, जब उन्होंने क्या हमको एक मतलब एक सेंटेंस दिया है, बट वो क्या था, इट इज नॉट अ कंप्लीटेड सेंटेंस. ओके, उन्होंने हमको दिया है कि वेयर वी हैव टू यूज द प्रेडिकेट एंड वेयर वी हैव टू यूज द सब्जेक्ट. बट क्यों, जहां पे हमको लग रहा है कि द नीड इज सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट, तो वहां पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, सब्जेक्ट को उस सेंटेंस में अगर सब्जेक्ट की रिक्वायर है तो हम वहां पे सब्जेक्ट लग रहे हैं, और जहां पे हमको लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे प्रेडिकेट होना चाहिए तो ऑब्वियसली वी शुड पुट ऑन द प्रेडिकेट. ओके, so okay, I will give you 2 minutes. Please write it down the answers. Okay, come on, hurry up. Ravi and Shashi are playing a football. The cat is catching, catching a mouse, MOUSE. Okay, the cat is catching a mouse. Then third, a man, what he's doing? The man is drinking. He is drinking a tea. DRINKING. Drinking a tea. TEA. Tea means क्या होता है, चाय. Okay. Then the tree. THERE. T-R-E-E, the tree. Next one, R is shedding the leaves. What is the shedding leaves means? Falling down. The leaves falling down. Then the birds builds their nest in tree. The birds, P-H-E-B-I-R-D-S, the birds. What the birds are doing? They build their nest where? Where it is they build? In the tree. Okay. Then who is ringing the bell? Peon. P-E-O-N. Peon is ringing a bell. R-I-N-G-I-N-G. The bell. B-E-L-L. Okay. I hope you all have written the answers. Okay. Okay. So here we now had completed the exercise D. So now I am giving a 2-3 examples more about the subject and predicate. Okay. तो अभी हम क्या करते हैं? हमने तो अभी ये 6 सॉल्व किए हैं. So again I have give you a 4-5 sentences. It means you will get more progress. Sorry. Okay. See, Meena then second. This 5 sentence you have to write it down in your copy book. आपको लिखना है और this 5 sentence I will give it's a homework. Okay. 3, 4 and 5. Mayur and I am a song. Okay. Lalita woke up. W-O-K-E woke up. Woke up means उठना, है ना? हम बोलते ना कि टुडे आई वोक अप इन द अर्ली मॉर्निंग, मतलब मैं आज सवेरे बहुत जल्दी उठ गई हूँ. Woke up. Okay. Then he a milk. See, I'm giving you 5 questions. Okay, so you have to complete it in tomorrow's homework. Okay, come on, write it down the question. See, Meena blank a banana. You आप वहाँ पे कुछ भी आंसर्स लिखते हो. I'm just giving a for example. जैसे Meena eating a banana. What she is doing? What is an action? Eating is an action. So Meena eating a banana. Next one is मयूर और बाजू में क्या दिया? इट्स अ प्लेइंग. P-L-A, वो A है. ओके, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. प्लेइंग मीन्स खेलना. तो आप कुछ भी लिख सकते हो वहां पे ब्लैंक में. ओके, मीना एंड योर फ्रेंड प्लेइंग. वेयर यू आर प्लेइंग, सो यू शुड बी राइट डाउन द आंसर. देन आई एम अ सॉन्ग. आई एम ब्लैंक अ सॉन्ग, मतलब मैं, और यहाँ पे सॉन्ग मीन्स गाना. तो आप क्या कर रहे हो गाने को? Obviously you are singing, है ना? गाना गा रहे हो, तो you put the right one the answer. Okay, then Lalita, L-A LITA, Lalita woke up, है ना. Just I told you what is the exact meaning of woke up. Woke up means जल्दी उठना. ओके, ललिता woke up. आप कुछ भी लग सकते हैं. In the morning 8 PM. You should write it down the timing and the AM and PM. मतलब आप कब उठ रहे हो, कितने टाइम में उठ रहे हो और कितने बजे, मतलब सवेरे उठ रहे हो या डे शिफ्ट में, नाइट में. नाइट में जो भी आपको लगता है, यू शुड राइट द आंसर. देन ही ड्रिंक्स, मतलब ही ड्रिंक्स, आपने क्या पिया, जूस पिया, चाय पिया, पानी पिया, व्हाटएवर यू थिंक एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन द आंसर. आपको जो भी सुटेबल लगे, यू शुड राइट द आंसर. ओके, कम ऑन, राइट इट डाउन. Meena blank a banana. Then second, Mayur blank playing blank. Third one, I am, then blank a song. Then Lalita woke up blank and he drinks blank. कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. He drink, ing. He drinking, DRINKING. Okay. लिख लिया आपने सबने. ओके, सो now we have finished second chapter is yes, now we have completed the D exercise and E1 as well as we have finished our second chapter, parts of the sentences, means subject and predicate. Okay, since our last 2-3 days we have teaching which one, parts of sentences and subject and predicate. Okay, सो अभी मुझे लगता है कि आपको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से समझ में आएगा कि व्हाट इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड व्हाट इज द प्रेडिकेट. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट, वेयर वी सी इन द सेंटेंसेस और एंड वी हैव टू रिकॉग्नाइज वेयर इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, सो टुमारो वी विल सी द न्यू चैप्टर. ओके, सो नाउ I can leave and I hope you are all enjoying the today's lecture. Okay, see you, bye, take care.